ski season. After all, 75% of the West's fresh water comes from the snowpack. There may not be enough drinking water or irrigation for crops. All over the world, the welfare of millions who depend on glaciers and mountain snow is at risk. The world is at a crossroads.
If we decide to burn all the oil, gas, and coal on the planet, we're going to take the atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration we started with and make it 7 times that. And that will create a world that's so very different that I think there's no chance that we'll actually burn all the oil, gas, and coal. I think it's inevitable that we're going to decide to solve this problem. The only question is when.
We may not be able to stop global warming, but we can slow it down and make the changes less extreme.
The good news is the future remains still largely in our hands. There is going to be more warming, but it can be a modest warming, and we can have a soft landing instead of a crash landing.
The 6.5 billion people on our planet have collectively become a force of nature on a collision course with our climate. The question now is, what can be done to correct our course? More than 1 billion people live in China alone. While the CO2 emissions of the average Chinese person are still well below the global average, the country is in the midst of an unprecedented industrial revolution. The Chinese plan to add 1 coal-fired power plant every single week for the next 7 years.